Attendance-based billing allows admins to charge parents per minute, per hour, or per day, based on how long a student was in attendance, using their check-in and check-out information. This feature is great for centers that allow drop-in students, offer before or after care services, or wish to assess late pickup or early drop-off fees. To create an attendance charge, admins first need to set up their attendance rules from the Variable Charge tab in the billing library. Admins will enter a charge category, description, add rooms, and the times of day that the charge will apply, days of the week, then desired rate. They can also add an optional cap on the amount charged if they wish, using the max amount field. Admins can create as many attendance charges as they want in order to support their center's needs. Once these charges are set up in the library, they can start processing these charges and billing students whose check-in records meet the criteria of the rules they defined. When an admin is ready to process charges, for example on a weekly basis, they can click Create New at the top right of either the Billing Overview or Plans tabs. Then choose Attendance Charge. This option can also be selected on an individual student's billing page by clicking Select an Action. Select a date range for the time frame you want to process attendance charges for, and check the boxes for the charges you want to process. Then click Review Students at the bottom right. The Review Student screen will surface all students that meet the criteria of the charges you selected in the time frame you set. You can edit the total amount of charges and add a note as to why, which will show up on the invoice. If you don't see a student on this list that you expected to, it's likely that they are either errors with their check-in records or their attendance records didn't meet the full parameters of the attendance charge rules. Click the link in the banner to learn more about correcting attendance charges. Once you have approved the charges, click the Schedule button at the bottom. You can add the charges to the next bill cycle, or you can bill parents immediately for these charges. Select your preference, then click Review. You'll then see a preview of what the parents will see when they receive the charges. Finally, when ready, click Create Charges. And that's it, you're all set. Please note, once a charge has been processed for a student in a given time period, it can't be reprocessed. If you have any questions, you can reach the Brightwheel support team by clicking the Help bubble at the bottom of your account, if using a computer. Then click Send Us a Message. To do this in the app, select Help, then tap Send Message to Customer Support. You can then send your message. If you write in during Brightwheel's business hours, you'll usually receive a reply within a few minutes or less.